Welcome to GMB Heavy Industries, your trusted partner for high-quality spare parts in the steel industry. We offer reverse and custom-engineered parts, designed and reverse-engineered to fit your unique mill requirements, including shears, guides, and gearboxes. Our long-life conveyor rolls are built with wear-resistant materials to maximize lifespan and keep your production lines moving smoothly. Steel forgings are produced quickly and precisely, from rolled rings to open or closed forgings, for heavy-duty industrial applications. Steel, iron, and high-wear castings provide durability for areas exposed to extreme abrasion and impact. We also supply high-performance chains designed for steel plants and hydraulic nuts for demanding applications in rolling mills. Every part is manufactured to OEM standards, ensuring reliability, longevity, and minimal downtime. Contact GMB Heavy Industries today and discover how our parts can keep your plant running efficiently.